What's up, everybody? Tonight we're making smoked chicken wings. So, cheers and let's cook. Now, to get a nice crispy chicken wing, you want that skin to be really dry. So you could just pat them down with a paper towel, but what I would suggest is putting them onto a sheet tray on a resting rack, stick them in the fridge for a couple hours or even overnight, and that'll dry that skin out real nice for you. Now, I already did that, so these guys are ready to go. I got my smoker heating up to 225, and it's time to make our dry rub. For our dry rub, we're going to use 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of dried thyme. I'm just going to mix that together real well with a fork. We got our wings into a bowl. I'm just going to toss them with that rub until they're nicely coated. Got our wings all rubbed down. Now it's time to go outside and get them on the smoker. I'm going to go at 225 for about 35 minutes or until they reach 145 degrees internally. And then I'm going to boost it up to 400 degrees for another 10 minutes or so until they get up to 175, and we should have a nice crispy chicken wing. It has been 35 minutes and I just temped them. I'm just breaking 140 degrees. So now I'm going to turn that up to 400 and let them get to 170. Guys, we have a plate of some unbelievable smoked chicken wings here. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.